If you think creatine is always safe no matter how you use it, that belief could quietly be putting your health at risk. Most men hear that creatine is one of the most researched supplements in the world, and that is true. But what they do not hear is how easily it can go from helpful to harmful when used the wrong way. The difference between strength and strain often comes down to small daily decisions. And if you get those wrong, the consequences do not show up immediately. They build slowly until your body forces you to pay attention. As you get older, your body does not recover the same way it used to. Your kidneys work harder. Your hydration balance becomes more sensitive. Your muscles lose their natural energy reserves faster. And you may have noticed this already. You feel more fatigued after simple tasks. Your strength drops sooner than expected. Even getting up from a chair or carrying groceries feels heavier than it should. That is why today you will discover 7 common mistakes that can turn creatine into something your body struggles to handle, instead of something that helps you stay strong and independent. Before we begin, please tell us in the comments your age and when did you start taking creatine. Mistake number 1. Taking creatine without enough water. This issue has been widely discussed in sports science research and is often emphasized by military training programs where hydration is tightly controlled. That alone tells you how serious it is. Creatine works by pulling water into your muscle cells. That is how it helps you generate energy. But if you are not drinking enough water, it pulls that fluid from the rest of your body. That leaves your system strained like a machine running without enough oil. Your muscles, kidneys, and circulatory system all depend on proper hydration. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Connecticut found that even mild dehydration significantly reduces physical performance and increases stress on the kidneys within a short time frame. To use creatine safely, you need to drink consistently throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. Start your morning with water, take your creatine with a full glass, and continue drinking as the day goes on. You should feel steady, not bloated, not dry. If you are just starting, aim for moderate water intake and increase gradually. A common mistake is thinking one large bottle after taking creatine is enough. It is not. Hydration must be spread throughout the day. If you have kidney conditions or high blood pressure, speak to a medical professional before starting creatine and monitor your fluid intake carefully. Now let us move to the next one. Mistake number 2, taking too much creatine at once. This habit comes from outdated loading phase practices that were popular in early bodybuilding culture and some older athletic programs. Your body can only use a certain amount of creatine at a time. When you overload it, the excess does not make you stronger. It puts stress on your digestive system and can lead to discomfort and imbalance. The digestive tract and kidneys take the burden when creatine intake is too high. A study conducted by researchers at McMaster University found that moderate daily dosing was just as effective as high loading phases without the side effects. The correct approach is simple. Take a consistent small dose daily. Around 3 to 5 grams is enough for most men. Take it at the same time each day to build a stable level in your system. Beginners often think more equals faster results. That thinking leads to bloating and wasted supplement use. Progress comes from consistency, not excess. If you have a sensitive stomach or digestive issues, start at a lower dose and increase slowly. Always listen to how your body responds. The next one surprises most people. Mistake number 3, mixing creatine with excessive caffeine. This combination is common in modern fitness culture, where energy drinks and pre-workout formulas are everywhere. Caffeine stimulates your nervous system, while creatine supports cellular energy. But when taken in high amounts together, they can work against each other and increase dehydration. This affects your hydration balance and nervous system stability. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Sao Paulo found that high caffeine intake may reduce the effectiveness of creatine during high-intensity performance. If you want to combine them, keep caffeine intake moderate. Avoid stacking multiple sources like coffee, energy drinks, and pre-workouts all in one day. Start by separating them. Take creatine earlier in the day and caffeine later if needed. Pay attention to how your body feels. If you notice restlessness or fatigue, that is feedback. Men with heart conditions or sensitivity to stimulants should be especially cautious with this combination. Before we continue, Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Having constant access to science-based information is what will make you progress with health over the long term in the world of supplementation and wellness. Now let us continue. Mistake number 4. Using low-quality or contaminated creatine. This issue has been reported in supplement testing studies and is a concern even today. Not all creatine is created equal. Some products contain impurities or lower-grade compounds that your body does not process well. Your liver and kidneys must filter everything you consume. When the quality is poor, they work harder than necessary. A study conducted by researchers at the German Sport University Cologne found that some low-quality supplements contained unwanted byproducts that could stress the body over time. Choose creatine monohydrate from reputable brands. Look for third-party testing and certification. That is not marketing, that is protection. Avoid switching between unknown brands based only on price. Your body deserves consistency and reliability. If you have existing health concerns, always choose the highest quality available and consult a professional before use. Now let us move to another critical mistake. Mistake number 5. Taking creatine without physical activity. This one is often ignored, but it matters more than most people realize. Creatine is not magic on its own. It supports energy production during movement. Without activity, that extra stored energy has nowhere to go. Your muscles, especially fast twitch fibers, rely on creatine during effort. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Sydney found that creatine supplementation showed the most benefit when combined with resistance training. To use it effectively, include simple functional movements in your day: walking, lifting, carrying, pushing. It does not have to be complex. Start with bodyweight exercises if you are new. Sit to stand movements, light resistance training, or even carrying groceries with control. A common mistake is expecting results without movement. That leads to frustration and wasted potential. If you have joint pain or mobility limitations, choose low-impact exercises and build gradually. Mistake number 6. Ignoring your body signals. This mistake comes from a mindset of pushing through without listening. Your body communicates clearly when something is off. Fatigue, bloating, unusual cramps, or changes in urination are signals. Ignoring these signs can turn a small issue into a larger one. A study conducted by researchers at Harvard Medical School emphasizes the importance of early symptom recognition in preventing more serious complications. Pay attention daily. If something feels different, adjust your intake. Take a break if needed. Start with a consistent routine and track how you feel over time. That awareness is your strongest tool. Men with existing medical conditions should monitor closely and seek guidance if any unusual symptoms appear. Now let us move to the final one. Mistake number 7. Combining creatine with poor diet habits. This is more common than people admit. Creatine supports your energy system, but your body still needs proper nutrients to function well. Your muscles, metabolism, and recovery systems rely on protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Birmingham found that supplementation works best when paired with a balanced diet. Make sure your meals include whole foods, lean protein, vegetables, healthy fats. That is your foundation. A common mistake is relying on supplements while neglecting real food. That creates imbalance and limits results. If you struggle with diet, start small. Improve one meal at a time. Build consistency. Men with metabolic conditions or dietary restrictions should tailor their nutrition carefully alongside supplementation. In the end, creatine is not dangerous by itself, but the way you use it determines whether it helps you or harms you. Small daily choices shape how your body responds over time. And if you want to stay strong, independent, and capable, those choices matter more than you think. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and God bless you, my friend.